Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is about how to make teacher yarn from teacher. What you are going to need to make this, to do this process, is just a good pair of scissors, teacher that is 100% cotton, measuring tape. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is going to cut the bottom seam. Now you are going to cut the top portion of the t-shirt. So this is going to be like a straight line across the chest from underarm point to the other arm point. Now fold this part of the t-shirt over to be about like a 1 inch. We are going to cut the strips. So for this you could leave like a half of 1 inch. It depends on how thick you want your teacher yarn. Don't forget, make sure you stop cutting about 1 inch from the folded edge that's farthest away from you. This is to make sure that the teacher yarn will make a continuous strand. Continue cutting the strips all the way across your piece of fabric until the end. Now, for this part, we are going to start cutting in diagonal direction. And then I will continue to do that all the way across. Now, here in the last one, I'm going to cut it on a diagonal form of this section to the other side. Now, hold the fabric with both hands and gently stretch it. So this process is going to cause it roll up and have the look of yarn. You can wind a ball up by hand. Just keep doing this until you have your nice big ball of teacher yarn. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just let me know. Leave the questions here in the comments, and I'm going to answer them. Follow my channel to be updated with information and tutorials about projects you can make with teacher yarn. Bye! Until the next tutorial.